Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Oburu Odinga Niwaweta Kana Ethiwa chama Kikeethiwa king'ang'anioni cha kukitia upresident Niwe Ayukilya Kivevelo Kiu.Oburu Ingi Niwavuthiisya Nzeke kana chama cha ODM Nikikuthoowa na Nikivalukite Ayuweta kana mwako twakwata utathelete ta chama nimekufikia kutangaza mwelekeo wao kukonosa kwani wa mwaka wa 2027. Angelina Musena mauvo
nene akaunti ya Kwale kavindani kala Ethiwa yume oneni wake kwi Kenya kukonia mwaka mweu Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Oburu Odinga Niwaweta kana Ethiwa chama Kikeethiwa king'ang'anioni cha kukitia kivila cha upresident Niwe Ukeethiwa Ayukilya Kivevelo Kiu.
Before the end of 2026 we shall have clearly known and made all the necessary arrangements going into 2027. Then we shall have, before the end of the year, our party shall have known whether we are going it alone or we are going to go into coalition with other parties, and we shall have by that time known whom we are going with into the political coalition, if any, or we are going it alone. And of course, if we are going it alone, I want to make it absolutely clear that our constitution already has a presidential candidate for our party. And that presidential candidate is clearly stated in the constitution of our party. And it is the party leader. And it is the party leader speaking. I am the presidential candidate for ODM if ODM decides that it goes it alone.
Nukuetakana vayi ungi Kyamani kina ula Utonya Kukitia kivila Kiu ateowe wala wetakana yu mwaka u utathelete ni makufikia 10 musimamo wa kukonia kuyumbanisya usakuani wa mwaka wa 2027.
So anybody who is preparing himself to go for presidential election in ODM, I think is misplaced. If they want to go for presidential candidacy, they should look for another party. But this particular party, the presidential candidacy is already decided by its own constitution. So we are going to, as we move forward, we are going to decide whether we go it alone or we go it with other parties.
Ingi Mutongoi Niwaweta kana chama Kivalukite ki namba uthoswa na kana vayina mvango wa kukithosya ivuthiisya vanene ala methitwo mainya icha Nzeke isu.
So anybody who is saying ODM is sold to other parties is also daydreaming. ODM is strong and it is kicking, it is up, and it is not about to be sold. And it will never be sold. And if it is to be sold, I don't know at what price. This party is too big to be sold to anybody. And I don't know if there is anybody in Kenya who can afford the price of ODM. It could be too expensive for them. Because the people, it goes up to the grassroots, up to the last person. So if you are paying that price, are you paying all those people from the grassroots up to the top leadership of the party? Whom are you paying and how much are you paying for it? So this party is not on sale. This party is not about to be sold. This party is up and about, and it is reorganizing, and it is uniting, and it is going to be there in 2027.
Gilivote avilingi wa mauvoni tawa Angelina Musena.